Mr. Day? Hello. Yes, miss. I've already prepared it, so I'm just reading the operating part. It is also settled law that in administrative matters relating to recruitment and eligibility, the scope of interference by this court under Article 226 is limited. The writ court does not set an appeal over the wisdom of the executive in prescribing procedures for verification of eligibility, unless the action complained of is shown to be arbitrary, unfair, or unjust, so as to offend Article 14 of the Constitution. No interference is warranted. In the present case, the requirement to furnish documents for verifying in-service status as on the cutoff date is neither arbitrary nor unfair, but as a reasonable measure directly flowing from the directions of the Apex Court and the governing statutory provisions. In view of the foregoing discussion, I am of the unhesitant view that the requirement to furnish UTI's registration and other service documents as called for by the Director of Elementary Education Assam by the impugned notification dated 17/6/2025 is not an additional eligibility criteria, but a necessary verification mechanism to implement the NCT's recognition order dated 22/9/17 as clarified by the Apex Court in so-and-so to hold the 18 months diploma in elementary education certificate under ODL mode from the NIOS as valid diploma under the subject recruitment process. Accordingly, the instant writ petition is found bereft of any merit whatsoever. Hence, the writ petition stands dismissed. Before parting, this court cannot overlook the manner in which the present writ petition has been filed. A large number of candidates have approached this court jointly, but without disclosing individual particulars as to how each of them has been affected. The petition, drafted in a most casual manner, not only lacks individual averments, but also contains contradictory projections. For instance, while arguments categorically advanced before this court that all petitioners hail from private schools, the pleadings themselves reveal that they belong to private, aided, and unaided institutions. On the basis of such vague pleadings, the result of the verification process was kept in abeyance owing to the interim order granted by this court, which remained operative until 9/9/2025, when the same was not extended. It is worthwhile to mention, Mr. Chutia, kindly verify this, that during the course of the hearing, Mr. D. Saikia, Learned Advocate General Assam, has apprised this court that out of the total 7,852 applications received from candidates availing their 18 months diploma from NIOS as diploma under the subject advertisement, a total number of 1715 candidates were shortlisted. Correct? For physical document verification. Were shortlisted for physical document verification, out of which a total number of 1405 candidates appeared physically with documents, and upon verification of the same, a total number of 384 candidates fulfilled the criteria. Thereafter, in the first provisional merit list, a total number of 247 candidates were selected eligible as per district-wise cutoff marks. Hence, such casual invocation of the writ jurisdiction resulting in disruption of a large-scale public recruitment cannot be countenanced. Accordingly, this court deems it appropriate to impose cost of rupees 10,000 upon the writ petitioners to be deposited with the State Legal Services Authority within a period of 4 months from today. There is some 1 or 2 small editing. So during the break, both sides jointly just see the facts once.